Let me first introduce myself. I'm Aitya Kamati, student at Newton School of Technology pursuing BTech in Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence. One of the most challenging projects that I have worked on and currently working is Anonymous-Dev. It is a platform designed to connect students and developers for collaboration and knowledge sharing. The challenge arose from building a scalable platform that we could manage both the content as well as the user interactions seamlessly while managing a smooth and engaging experience for the users. My approach involved many steps like breaking down the project into manageable steps or modules and focusing on key features such as user authentication, blogging, and engagement tools. I first started by designing the basic structure using Figma and then started designing the backend structure using Prisma with MySQL, ensuring it could handle user data effectively. And for the backend, I used Node.js and Express, while the frontend was built with the React to ensure dynamic and responsive user interface. One of the biggest challenges was implementing the real-time chat system to facilitate the communication between the students as well as the developers. I integrated this feature by using a feature called WebSockets. This allowed users to create and send and also receive messages instantly. Technical challenge was making sure that the chat system was scalable and we could handle a growth number of users without degrading the performance. Throughout this project, I kept the user experience as my top priority, ensuring the platform was intuitive and easy to navigate. I collaborated with others to test and refine the platform while taking the feedback into account and improve the functionality. Ultimately, the project taught me the value lessons in full stack development, problem solving, and managing both the technical as well as the user facing aspects of the platform. It is a rewarding experience that pushed me to learn, grow as a developer. Technical concept I recently explored was the WebSockets. WebSockets enable real-time bidirectional communication between the clients as well as the servers over a single persistent connection, unlike the HTTP, which relies on the consistent requests and responses. WebSockets allow instant data exchange without delays or refreshes, making it ideal for the future like live chat and notifications. I implemented WebSockets in the chat feature of Anonymous-Dev using socket.io in Node.js. This allowed real-time messaging where users could send and receive messages instantly. The key advantages of the WebSocket is effectiveness, as it reduces the overhead of the opening new connections repeatedly, allowing a smoother and more scalable user experience. When approaching a new project with limited information, I follow a structured process by gathering the clarity and set the project on the right path. Here, how I could approach it. Like first, I would try to understand the overall goal of the project. I will ask questions to myself like what is the core problem that I am trying to solve, or what outcomes are expected. Even what limited information having an eye level understanding is crucial for getting my work done. And then once I have general understanding of the objectives, I'll just break down the project into smaller tasks or components. This will help me focusing on one single piece at a time. Even the larger picture is still unclear. I would list down any assumptions I am making or constants that I need to work within. This helps me avoid the blind spots and focus on what is achievable under certain conditions. Since the full scope may not be clear at the start, I would adopt to iterative approaches. I would develop an MVC or start with a prototype, allowing me to feedback and improvements as the project progresses. Throughout the process, I will maintain a clear communication with the stakeholders and my team, get regular updates, feedback loops, and ongoing discussions ensure everyone is aligned and we can adapt quickly for the new developments. Thank you.